So how do we export a Rhino 3DM file to an AutoCAD DWG file? Now, we may want to export the whole file or maybe just parts within it, but the method remains the same for both of those situations, and it's very simple. So I've got a series of 3D and 2D objects here which I want to export, and I can select all of these and then go up to File, Export Selected, and I'm going to save this as AutoCAD Export. And in this drop down here, so at the moment it's a Rhino 3DM file, we want to hit that and we want to go to an AutoCAD Drawing DWG, or we could also go a DXF depending on what we wanted to bring this model into. If I go that and hit save, now Rhino has a series of export schemes, and this will change depending on what you want to export. And what works great for me is if I've got a combination of 3D solids and surfaces and 2D curves, I will always use the solids option, whereas if I've just got curves and 2D line work like sections or plans, then I will use the polylines option. If your model is really complex, you can split it up and do all solids export and then an all polylines export, keeping in mind that the Rhino 8 has much better export schemes than this Rhino 7, and I'm a few updates behind. So if you've got Rhino 8, you'll probably have 2018 options in here, which will work much better. But I'm going to choose 2007 solids for now. Hit that, and I like to keep this unticked just in case I want to export different things in future. And you can also edit the schemes, but most of the time you can just leave it as they are. And then we'll hit OK. And up here we can see the file has saved successfully as AutoCAD export.dwg. And that's how you save your Rhino file as an AutoCAD DWG file. Thanks for watching.